What's in a name? This is Glenn Halverson, MD. I am pleased to introduce you to my unique formulation, G2 Pain Cream. I believe the best description I can give you of this unique product is to explain what's in a name. G2 Pain Cream, its byline, Relieve and Restore, and our website, Start Pain Relief, have all been trademarked. I would not have gone to the trouble to create brand recognition if I was not convinced G2 is one of the best, all-organic, safe, and effective pain creams ever. Here's why. When you look online for a solution to your pain problem, take Amazon for example, you might be overwhelmed at the sheer number of different products, lotions, potions, gels, and creams that promise instant relief of pain. But what about tomorrow, or next week, or next month? What can you do to get rid of pain symptoms forever? G2 may provide that answer. As a medical doctor with over 40 years of clinical experience in sports medicine and pain management, I have personally used dozens of the typical OTC products as well as prescription drugs from pharmaceutical companies and compound pharmacies. As a professed jock who's played multiple sports, ran miles and miles, pumped iron almost daily, I've been personally sidelined many times by injuries or had sports performance impaired by various aches and pains. Let me give you an example. 6 knee surgeries from football and basketball, lower back strains and a broken bone, thumb fractures, tagging out base runners, shoulder rotator cuff injuries from baseball, Achilles tendonitis from track, hamstring strains, wrist and elbow tendonitis from competitive tennis, and lately a torn rotator cuff while stupidly insisting on playing golf after a systemic illness. Add to my personal injuries my experience performing 200 to 300 diagnostic nerve tests on patients in pain management clinics every month. In other words, I really do know and feel your pain. And I know how frustrating it can be to use products that don't work. G2 stands for glutathione, often referred to as our body's master antioxidant. Start Health Sciences is the first medical company to include this powerful antioxidant in a topical created specifically for the relief of pain. The 2 in G2 refers to the addition of 2 unique ingredients that enhance the healing properties of glutathione. The first is OPC from grapeseed extract, not only one of nature's most powerful antioxidants, but an amazing plant phytochemical that has been studied extensively in Europe for its ability to strengthen blood vessel walls, promote formation of new collagen, and reduce inflammation. The second is an expensive special extract from vitamin C that, unlike the vitamin C molecule itself, actually penetrates the skin into the underlying dermal layers. Both are glutathione helpers that have additional healing properties of their own. As a side note, MSM is also added to assist these essential ingredients in reducing inflammation in the area of soft tissue injury. In other words, these are label integrity ingredients backed by real science that help speed the healing process. The trademark byline for G2 Pain Cream is Relieve and Restore for a reason. My goal was to do more than provide immediate but temporary pain relief. Like other products, G2 contains natural ingredients such as menthol and essential oils that function as counter-irritants to mask pain symptoms. But unlike many of those other OTC products and prescription items, G2 goes beyond temporary pain relief to promote healing by reducing free radical mediated inflammatory responses and swelling that occur after injury, as well as to improve local blood flow and speed up the healing process. This is a process that takes time. In our pilot studies, we tried to be as objective as we could in encouraging subjects to continue twice daily applications of G2 Pain Cream for at least 4 to 6 weeks. In some subjects, marked improvement was seen after only a few days of use. In others, it did take longer. Relieve and Restore aptly serves as our mission statement. I wanted a cream that provided more than just instant relief of aches and pains. It needed to also promote healing. It needed to be all organic with a guaranteed safety profile, in contrast to many OTC products that contain drugs or chemicals or herbals that have the potential to cause allergic or toxic reactions when used excessively. And it needed to be unique. I wanted you, the consumer, to immediately tell it was different. It was a cut above, without marketing hype, with structure and function claims supported by real science. I believe that G2 Pain Cream has achieved all those goals. Finally, G2 is recommended for both acute and chronic pain conditions affecting muscle, tendon, ligament, joint linings, and even in some cases intra-articular pain conditions. At StartPainRelief.com, our commitment to proper and effective non-invasive treatment of acute injury is fueled by the burning need for medical providers everywhere to stop the opioid and disability epidemic plaguing us today. Chronic pain management is complicated, but sometimes avoiding chronic disability may be as simple as addressing a problem immediately before it becomes a chronic condition marked by muscle weakness, joint stiffness, altered body mechanics, often leading to anxiety, frustration, depression, and that impaired ability to enjoy work, play, or sport. We encourage you to join us in that fight against disabling pain. This is Glenn Halverson, MD. Thank you for listening.